Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today practice set 3.2 question number 5 we are taking. It is one type of hot question which is given in that practice set, but it is very easy to solve. See here, one information is given. Write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. So this information we have to write in the form of algebraic expression, means in the mathematical form, and we will solve that. The farmer used square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. That farmer has one rectangular shaped farm, and inside of that rectangular shaped farm he used one part of that rectangular shaped farm which is in square shape to build his house. Okay, so see, there is a rectangular farm with length of 2a square plus 3b square meter and breadth is a square plus b square meter. So here length and breadth of that rectangular farm are given. The side of the plot was a square minus b square meter. That plot, that area, it is in the square shape which he is going to use to build his house, and the side of that square shaped plot is given, it is a square minus b square meter. Then what is the area of the remaining part of the farm? So here we have to find the area of remaining part of the farm. First we will draw one diagram so you will understand better. Just assume that it is rectangular shape farm of that farmer, and in this rectangular shape farm, say it is a farm, the length and breadth are, longest side of this rectangle is the length. So here length of the rectangular shape farm is 2a square minus 3b square. From the question, 2a square plus 3b square meter. Okay, and the breadth is also given, it is a square plus b square. So write a square plus b square, which is the smallest side of the rectangular farm. Okay, so here length we are having, breadth is also we are having, and inside of that rectangular shape farm there is one square shape area or the plot of that rectangular farm that farmer is going to use to build his house. Okay, and the side of this plot is, the side of the plot was a square minus b square, and we know that square has equal sides. A square minus b square means if one side of that square shaped plot is a square minus b square, then the length of three remaining sides of that plot is also a square minus b square. Okay, so we have here the side of the square shaped plot, so easily we can find its area, and we too have the length and breadth of that rectangular shaped farm. So here the area of this rectangular shaped farm we can find by using the formula to find the area of rectangle, and it is length into breadth. So easily we can find just simply by multiplying. Okay, that is length into breadth. And what to find out here? What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? So here area of the remaining part of the farm means if you are subtracting the area of that square shaped plot from the area of rectangular shape farm, then you will get the area of this remaining part of the farm. Got it? Now we will write like this. Say area of remaining part of the farm, area of remaining part of the farm, remaining part of the farm is equal to, say, area of area of rectangular shape farm, area of rectangular shape rectangular shape farm minus area of square shape plot. Area of square shape plot. Square shaped plot. Understood? Means from the area of rectangular shaped farm, if you are subtracting area of square shaped plot, then you will get the area of remaining part of this farm. Got it? Now we'll put here length and breadth of that rectangular shape farm. What is the length here? Length is 2a square plus 3b square. It is the length multiplied by breadth. Breadth is a square plus b square. Okay. Then minus in between. Here the area of plot. As this plot is in square shape, so the area of the square shape plot is side square, and the side of that plot is a square minus b square bracket completed square. Understood? Now we will solve it. This algebraic expression we will solve. So we have arranged in that mathematical form. So we will solve this algebraic expression. First we will find the value of a, then value of b, and from that value of a and b we will find the area of remaining part of the farm. Now we will multiply this a square plus b square by 2a square plus 3b square. So we are taking first term, that is 2a square. It will multiply to a square plus b square, means every term of the second polynomial is multiplied by every term of the first polynomial in the multiplication. Now we are multiplying by second term of the first polynomial, that is 3b square multiplied by a square plus b square. Followed? Now minus. Here a square minus b square, square is there. Means like this, a minus b bracket square. In that formula, by using that formula we will solve it. So write here first term square. What is first term square? A raised to 4. Correct? Minus 2a into b, means 2 multiplied by first term into second term, means 2a square b square plus second term square, means b square. So b square is b raised to 4 bracket complete. Understood? Now write it is equal to, we are multiplying this 2a square into a square, 2a raised to 4 plus 2a square into b square, 2a square b square. Now here plus 3b square into a square, 3a square b square. Now plus 3b square into b square, 3b raised to 4. Got it? Now because of this minus sign, see the sign inside the bracket will change. So what we will do, we will multiply by minus sign to this every term of the polynomial. So it is minus a raised to 4, then minus became plus 2a square b square, and here again minus became plus became minus b raised to 4. Understood? Now we will arrange the like terms together or like algebraic expression together. So for this 2a square, which one is the like term? 2a raised to 4, which one is the like term? Here 1a raised to 4, so we will arrange it together, minus a raised to 4. Then for this next term 2a square and b square, what is the another like term? This one. Say plus 3a square b square. Is there one more term? Yes, 2a square b square. So arrange it 2a square b square. Okay. Then after writing this one, we are taking 3b raised to 4. So write next one 3b raised to 4. So for this 3b raised to 4, is there any like term? Yes, it is minus b raised to 4. Got it? Now we will write the sum or the difference of this term as per the sign they are possessing. So here for this first pair 2 a raised to 4 minus 1 a raised to 4 means 1 will subtract from 2, so 1 a raised to 4 will remain. Got it? Now for this next 3 like terms, next 3 like algebraic expression, here all 3 algebraic expressions are possessing positive sign, so all 3 expressions will add and we will give here plus sign. So 2 plus 3 5 and 5 plus 2 7, so it is 7a square b square. Got it? Now for this last pair, 3b raised to 4 minus 1b raised to 4, 1 will subtract from 3, so here plus 2b raised to 4 will remain. So here we have the area, remaining area of that farm after making the house. Okay, so it is the remaining part of the farm or the remaining area of the farm, as it is given in the meter. Here also we have to give meter. Got it? So it is our final answer. So likewise you can solve any problem in your daily life also by using this algebraic expression. Got it?